Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this food age filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. To get this effect, what you have to do, just go to the effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you can't see the filter here. You can search here, but it's a new filter, so very difficult to find. So what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for food age filter. Okay, you will see videos with this effect. Just tap on any video you want. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the video, you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here, you can add it to your favorites. And at the bottom of the screen, you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect.
How old are you based on the food that...
Okay, likewise. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from your For You page, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video. Okay, let's try this. You can go for 60 seconds or better keep it in 10 minutes. Okay, tap on the record button. Breakfast, what I want in breakfast. This one. Lunch. I'll go with this one. Snack. Okay, I'll go with this one. Peanuts. Dinner. Okay, one cheese omelette. Drink. Okay, this batter. Dessert. Okay, let's go with classic chocolate. Okay, and okay, nearby. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.